correct. And then when you talk about foundation, we could put an example as a tree. If you don't have, if a big tree, a strong tree doesn't have big roots, it's not going to survive. It's not going to sustain itself. It's going to fall apart. And that's the same thing. You have to make sure that you start with the strong roots in your business. You start working on your business early on since the beginning in order for that business to grow the right way. And it might take a little bit longer because sometimes you might think, if I hire this person because of their values or their beliefs and because I'm being too strong and too anal, still for the word, but too anal with what I believe in, then I'm not gonna have enough people work with me. And one of the things that I could tell you, like when I started really speaking about my faith and my beliefs and everything else and being very open with it, a lot of entrepreneurs came to me and said, you know what, I commend you and I applaud you because not many people talk about what they believe in because they're afraid that their business is going to suffer. They're not going to be afraid. But one of the things that I learned in life is that, we live in a world in abundance. If you start thinking about how many cars there's in the world, start thinking about how much money there's in the world, if you start thinking about how many people, how many eggs, how many cows, how many chickens, how many businesses there are, we have a world of abundance. So if I want to segregate myself to only faith-based entrepreneurs, there's an abundance of them. So meaning that I'm not going to lack enough business, never, because there's a lot of them.